What if the future of marketing isn't built by teams of creatives, but by lines of code? That's the bold thesis S4 Capital is betting on. And it's shaking up the advertising world. The company, once known for its traditional agency model, is now openly declaring that AI agents are not just tools to enhance human work, but replacements for it. This isn't about incremental change. It's a seismic shift that could redefine how brands spend billions on campaigns. But here's where it gets controversial. If this vision takes off, it might mean fewer jobs for creative professionals and a radical reimagining of what it means to do marketing. Consider the recent Pixel smartphone campaign by S4's AI agents. From drafting scripts to finalizing directorial choices, the entire production pipeline was handled by algorithms. What used to take months of human collaboration was cranked out in weeks. Wes Tahar, S4's executive director, put it bluntly. About 65% of the tasks agencies charge for today could already be done by AI. That's not a hypothetical. It's a reality S4 is racing to normalize. And this is the part most people miss. The cost savings aren't just for S4. Clients like Google are shifting their budgets from hourly billable services to outcome-based payments, aligning with a future where efficiency trumps hours worked. So how is S4 building this AI-driven empire? The company is restructuring around 3 pillars: data-driven strategy, automated content creation, and optimized media buying. The goal? To package these capabilities into recurring revenue streams, turning one-off agency projects into predictable, scalable services. But this isn't just about automation, it's about control. S4 is positioning itself as a consultant to CMOs, guiding them through the chaos of AI integration. From choosing infrastructure providers to redefining team roles. As Tahar puts it, they're aiming for mass marketing as a service within 3 years, a phrase that sounds less like a business strategy and more like a sci-fi prophecy. Of course, not everyone is buying in. While giants like L'Oreal and Unilever are already using AI to generate thousands of assets monthly, smaller brands and their CMOs are left wondering, can machines truly replicate human creativity? Or is this a race to the bottom where cost-cutting sacrifices quality? Martin Sorrell, S4's founder, acknowledges the risks. Once tariffs settle in 2026, clients will demand lower create costs. But here's the rub. If AI becomes the default, what happens to the teams who once built these campaigns? Will marketers become obsolete, or will they evolve into AI supervisors? The stakes are high, and the timeline is tight. S4's recent revenue cuts and global uncertainties add urgency to its push. Yet, as Kraft Heinz slashes production time from weeks to hours and Dell accelerates its ad workflows, the pressure to adopt AI is undeniable. But this isn't just a tech story, it's a philosophical one. Are we witnessing the end of the agency era, or the birth of a new creative paradigm? The answer might lie in how many CMOs are willing to trust algorithms with their brand's soul. And now we'd love to hear your take. Do you think AI will replace human creativity in marketing, or will it simply amplify it? Share your thoughts below.